So it looks like there's some good news, but how is this going to play out? Thousands of probationary federal employees have been fired, but hours ago, the Office of Special Counsel, or OSC, says some of these firings may have violated federal law. Here's what's happening and why it matters. First, let's clear something up. Probationary employees do not have the same job protections as full status career federal employees. That's true, but they do have some protections. According to the OSC, federal law states that even probationary employees must be terminated for reasons related to performance or conduct. Agencies, they say, are not supposed to use the probationary period as a loophole to conduct mass firings without justification. OSC has now intervened in a case involving 6 fired probationary employees across multiple agencies. The agency argues that these firings were not based on individual performance assessments, but instead appear to be part of a broader workforce reduction that did not follow required reduction in force procedures. Here's why that matters. RIF procedures require agencies to follow specific rules, including giving employees advance notice, retention rights, and in some cases, reassignment options. If an agency instead terminates a large number of employees under the guise of individual probationary removals, that could be unlawful, but ultimately that will be decided by the Merit System Protection Board, MSPB, or the courts. Right now, OSC has asked the MSPB to pause some of these firings for 45 days while it investigates further. If the MSP agrees, and they have 3 days to disagree, this could lead to some of these test employees being reinstated, receiving back pay, or having their cases formally reviewed. What does this mean for federal employees? Well, this just happened today, and it's too early to say how this will play out, but one thing is clear: this could have wider implications for thousands of probationary employees across the federal government. If the MSPB finds these firings improper, it could change how agencies handle probationary terminations going forward. If you or someone you know is recently fired during their probationary period, please pay close attention to this case. There may be options to challenge your termination, but it depends on the facts of your specific situation. If you're concerned about your rights as a federal employee, check out my Linktree for free resources and information about our monthly membership. Understanding your legal options is key to protecting your career. So again, some good news, but this is so unprecedented. We'll see how this goes, but definitely an overall positive development. Thank you, everybody, and hope the rest of your day goes well.